Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Apache Tomcat server in NetBeans IDE. So do follow my video till end if you wish to run Solid or JSP program in your NetBeans IDE. So let's start the video. So first of all, I'm going to start my IDE and here I'm going to click on Tools menu and there is option Server. Just click on this menu. And now here we have to click on add server. Okay, it is showing me list of server name. I am going to select Apache Tomcat or TomEE and then just hit on next button. So here we need to provide installation directory of Tomcat. So you can just click on this browse button. And now just go to this PC and then go to the path. So my Tomcat is installed in C:program files, then Apache Software Foundation Tomcat 10. So just select this and click on open. And you can see here it is showing me message that the specified server location or folder is not valid. This error you get whenever you have not assigned permission to your Tomcat folder, writable permission to your Tomcat folder, then you get this error. So how to solve this error? Let me show you that. So I will go to this path. So let's go to my C drive, program files, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 10. So I'll just click on this folder and then it will ask me a permission. You don't currently have permission to access this folder. So it is showing me this message. So I have to grant the permission. So for that I just need to click on this continue button. So as soon as I click on this continue button, it is showing me all the folders in Tomcat 10 folder. So now I'll go back again to my NetBeans and then I'll click on browse and again I will be clicking on this open button. So now you can see it is taking this path. So now that error has been resolved. So to resolve that error, you can just give the permission to your Tomcat folder. Okay, so after solving this error, now it is asking me to specify username and password. So whatever username and password you had entered while installing your Tomcat, same username and password you need to give over here. So I'm entering username and password. Now it is not showing me that message. So I'm going to click on finish button. So now Tomcat server has been added to your NetBeans. You can create your web project and you can run it. So now my Tomcat server is running on this port number 8080. If you wish to remove this Tomcat server, you can just click on remove server. It will be removed. So I don't want to remove, I have just added it. I'm going to close this. This way you can add your Apache Tomcat server to your NetBeans IDE and then you can create your web application. So let me quickly show you how you can create web application or Solid application. Just go to file, new project and select Java web under the category Java with hand and web application from project type. And here you can give the name to your application. So I'm just giving name as hello app. Okay, and then click on next. Now you can see it is showing me server. So Apache Tomcat or TomEE, also Java EE version and the context path. Just click on finish button. Okay, so now it has created my project. So now to show you that whether my server is running or not, I'm just going to create one Solid. So in my source package, I'm just going to right click new and Solid, and here I'm going to give name to my Solid as hello Solid, and then I'm going to click on next button. And here I will be keeping everything default. Just I'm going to check mark this option and then we will click on finish button. Okay, you can see it has created my Solid file, but here it is showing me error message because Javax has been replaced by Jakarta. So I'll just change this Javax. I will make it to Jakarta. So replace everywhere. Okay, done. So now you can see my error has been resolved. Now I'll run this project to check whether my Tomcat is running. So just right click and select run file option. Okay, so it is showing me URI. Here I will click on OK button. Now it will show me output on my browser, and here it is showing me output on 8080 port number. On this my Tomcat server is installed. Since I didn't wrote any code, so it is running the default code and showing me this output. Okay guys, so this pretty much conclude my video. In this video I have shown you how to add Apache Tomcat server in NetBeans IDE and how to create web project also I have shown. I hope this video has helped you. If yes, then don't forget to hit on like button. And if you have any kind of query, you can put in comment box. I will surely try to reply to your queries. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to get such more videos. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.